Stop scrolling. What you are about to see is not motivation, not theory, and not hype. These visuals on your screen right now, they were not edited by a professional team, they were not animated manually, and they were not created using paid software. They were generated in bulk with one click using 100% free AI tools. Now here's the part most people will miss. In 2026, the people who win on YouTube are not the most talented. They are the ones who understand leverage. Let me show you something real. This channel, Ghibli Days, only 16 videos, just 4 months old, and already 68.4 thousand subscribers. Look closely. This is not luck. This is not viral magic. This is YouTube rewarding consistency, quality, and volume, done the smart way. Now watch this. As I scroll through these videos, understand one thing. Every single video you see here can be generated automatically with the same level of visual perfection, without breaking character consistency, and without spending a single dollar. Most people think this is impossible. That belief alone is why they stay stuck. In the next few minutes, I will reveal the exact one-click strategy, the free AI tools, and the system that allows you to create flawless AI videos at scale before everyone else catches on. If you are serious about YouTube in 2026, do not blink. To create videos like these, the first step is critical. Do not lose focus. We start by generating the story script because this is the brain that controls the entire video production process. I use Gemini to generate the story script because it consistently delivers higher quality narratives than any other tool. You don't need to worry about writing like a professional. I've already done the hard part for you. I've created a master prompt that lets you generate your own unique Ghibli-style story, fully customizable in length, characters, and plot. I'll drop this prompt in the comments so you can practice it yourself. Now let's submit it and watch the magic happen. As you can see, Gemini generates the complete production blueprint, total duration, scene count, and visual style. When you scroll down, you'll find detailed character profiles for both characters, which ensures perfect consistency throughout the entire video. And here is the first scene, the narrator script, the scene description, and a detailed image prompt. Gemini follows the master prompt precisely and generates all 24 scenes in the same structured format. Normally, we'd copy each scene's image prompt and generate every image one by one, a process that takes hours. But now, the game is completely changed. With this method, you can paste all the prompts at once, and the AI will generate every scene automatically, one by one, with just a single click. To generate all images at once, we first need to separate the image prompts from the story script. I'll give Gemini a new prompt, and in just a few seconds, it separates every image prompt automatically, ready for one-click generation. Okay, now I will copy all the image prompts and go to AutoWhisk AI, the Chrome extension that automates everything. As you saw, I searched for the AutoWhisk AI and opened the first link. First, click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. And just like that, AutoWhisk is added to your browser. The first step is to change the language to English. Just below, you'll see 3 versions. Select version 7.5.1 DOM. Next, click Go to Whisk and log in. Once inside, paste all the prompts we copied from Gemini into the prompt list, then click Start. Next, you'll be asked to create a new project or run on this project. I'll click Create a new project, then click Start. And as you can see, AutoWhisk begins generating the images scene by scene, automatically downloading each one into the Whisk folder. But after a few scenes, I noticed the characters aren't consistent across the images, which can break the story's illusion and disrupt the creative flow. To generate all scenes with perfect character consistency, the first step is to create the characters themselves. Now I'll go back to Gemini and copy the first character details for Alara that it has already generated. Then paste them into AutoWhisk's image generation section and click Generate. Within seconds, AutoWhisk creates the same female character. Next, I'll open the subject section, drag and drop Alara's image, and let Whisk analyze it. Then I'll copy the second character's details from Gemini, paste them into Whisk, click Submit, and within moments, the second character is generated. Finally, I'll click the plus button and drag and drop the second character. This ensures both characters remain fully consistent across all scenes. Once both images are analyzed, click Start again. This time choose Run on this project. Now watch closely. AutoWhisk begins generating the scenes, and as you can see, the character consistency is absolutely spot on across every image. And as you can see, all the images are automatically generated and saved into a separate Whisk folder. Now that every scene is perfectly crafted, it's time to do the most exciting part. Turn these still images into smooth, cinematic videos using free AI tools. To generate the videos, the first step is to create precise video prompts that guide the AI perfectly. Next, I'll pass another prompt to generate tailored video prompts for each scene. And as you can see, Gemini has generated video prompts for every single scene. Next, I'll open a new tab and search for Grok AI. After logging in, click on the Imagine button. First, go to Settings, then Behavior, scroll down, and turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation. By default, this option is on and Grok applies motion automatically. Turning it off gives us full control, allowing us to animate each image precisely using our own custom text prompts. Okay, now I'll upload the first scene image to Grok Grok AI. Next, I'll copy the first scene video prompt from Gemini, paste it into Grok's prompt box, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the video is ready. Let's take a look. As you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. Next, I'll click the three dots, select Upscale Video to Ultra HD, and as you can see, the upscaled version is even sharper and more cinematic. Finally, I'll click the download button and the video is saved with no watermark. Many viewers have said Grok can't produce watermark-free videos, but as you can see, it works perfectly. Our next powerful image-to-video AI tool is Meta AI. I'll go to Meta AI and click on the first link. Just like that, it's opened. I'm already logged in, and as you can see, creators have produced ultra-realistic videos with this AI. To generate our video, I'll click Create, then change the option from image to video. Next, I'll click Upload Image and upload the second scene image. Then I'll go to Gemini, copy the second scene's video prompt, and paste it into the Meta AI prompt box. Click Animate, and within seconds, Meta generates this amazing video. From here, you can also add music and restyle the video using Meta's pre-made styles. Here's the download button. Clicking it will start the download instantly. As you can see, our video is now downloaded. Let's take a look. As you can see, the results are incredible. Crystal clear, ultra realistic, and with absolutely no watermark. In the same way, I'll upload the next scene image and use its prompt to generate the video for each scene. Once all the videos are ready, I'll show you the final result. Now that all the scenes are alive as videos, the next step is to give them a voice, turning the story into a fully narrated experience with text-to-speech. Okay, now I'll go to Gemini, grab the first scene's narration, and bring it to life in Google AI Studio, where we can create ultra-realistic free AI voiceovers, giving our story its very own voice for the first time. As you can see, I searched for Google AI Studio, scrolled down, and clicked Turn Text into Audio with Gemini. Here, you can generate multi-speaker AI voiceovers, but for our story, we need a single voice, so I'll select single speaker. Next, you can choose your voice actor. Aljiba is perfect for our story. You can also give custom instructions, but I'll leave it as is. Then, I'll paste the first scene's narration and click Generate. Within seconds, the audio for the first scene is ready.
Chick waits quietly.
Finally, click the three dots and download to save it to your desktop. Another excellent text-to-speech AI is 11 Labs. It offers 10,000 free credits every month, completely free. As you can see, I searched for 11 Labs, logged in, and landed on its main interface. Now I'll click on text-to-speech. On the left side, I'll change the voice actor to Spuds Oxley, which works perfectly for a Ghibli-style story. Next, I'll paste the same scene narration here and click Generate Speech.
She walked with her head in clouds.
As you can see, the narration audio is ready, and from here, we can simply download it to the desktop. In the same way, I'll generate the narration for all remaining scenes, and then I'll show you the final result. These are all the visuals and narration files for each scene. The next step is to encapsulate everything inside the video editor. If you skip this part, all the hard work you've done so far collapses. Now let's bring it all together in CapCut. First, I'll import all the visuals into CapCut. You can use any video editor, but I'll be using CapCut for this workflow. Next, I'll import all the narration audio files to the CapCut. After that, I'll drag the first scene's visual onto the timeline, and just below it, I'll place its corresponding audio track. As you can see, the visual is longer than the audio, so I'll adjust the speed of the visual until both align perfectly. Now, as you can see, the first scene visual and audio are fully synchronized. In the same way, I'll drag the second scene's visual onto the timeline and place its narration audio just below it. Then, I'll adjust the video speed so both align perfectly. I'll repeat this process for every scene, placing each visual on the timeline, adding its narration, and adjusting the speed for perfect alignment. To save time, I'll fast forward this step and then show you the final result. Okay, as you can see, this part is complete. The visuals are perfectly aligned with their narrations. Next, I'll add seamless transitions between the clips to make the video flow naturally and feel truly cinematic. I'll fast forward this process again to save time.
In a bustling city, magic waits quietly. She walked with her head in clouds. He was focused on the path ahead. Until the moment their worlds collided. A clumsy apology, a shared laugh.
This place is so charming, don't you think?
Absolutely, the view is perfect.
Coffee turned into hours of conversation. The seasons changed around them. Walks in the park became routine. Silence spoke louder than words. Even the rain felt warm. New worlds in old bookstores. Laughter filled a small kitchen. Love grew.
As you can see, the video is now perfect and ready for export. I'll click export. You can give the video a name and choose the resolution, but I'll export it as is in 1080p Ultra HD for the best quality. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Your support truly means the world to me.